surtout na baton ha me da kon ke ka mi cha ba chi me ba e nye TV ke yo no ko TV bo yo kata li fiamme ke mia bona ga no ke abale ko no na to ede mi ja ko no so do me nyare ke mi zona re kwa ka oje ya yo yo chu mia kon to ma fia lo ke kon to la lo ye mia kon to mo ke bi ko nte ko kana kata do ke mi ga ina re ngo na ko nka we le nya so ba le kantra ni o ka ta o de ke na ma we ni ba tro na nya enye Tony McBoy e kami upload Tony McBoy le Facebook, le TikTok, le Instagram la fisha fine ji McBoy for the current name. Avec tout, oui, mais tout va, oui, si la frage de bon, tout, le bien agent sur la date, on auto, et l'orazione, c'era ma facciamo, ma non può connettere viaggi, e ma di, a me guayare che, ya bala uju da kono ala ke machu mongo ko ya so da bana ya ko whole central member of parliament honorable richmond and kofi kutu sumba da mabana mi baje muslim service dictionary kula ba kini da ko ta ni ala do ni kula da ke no mani ni muslim da ko ni kula da 024270773 baik na tero macho abu kim ale kebia ado lu akbar mu aroje alo ya achana na ko mi ke abu lebe ni kata enyo chochi abu ko ni mo kakala o nye tunya kala nye hajila nye abu kula mushami nya ta la ta ni ni ko jwana sapa gremia chi ashichacha mu ma to wato nyamba da jakana gremia chi alo ni mi obi ko fia ai ke Facebook ai YouTube la satellite le multi TV kakam do e baci ta gremia ce la a awra kapapuri ya auto ke donc di banyak ke to kare ko darah ni banyak ko amain banyak lo ke apa to chi helikopter alo yang mau ke alo yang mau ke cari ada iba ka Edgar Wekeba Yeba to 8th, no 6th of August, 2025, Mr. Fukubakawa, Yabuai, Jani, Alamu, Naka, Eba, Yaru, I mean, Tohea, Uchi, okay, Eba, Yenya, Democracy and Attack the Moon. Le gentoma in pipito luego lo pum ba in democracia da tanto demonstration da ba ni ke to ya alo ba nya problem ba ma ti ji sina ka yo ya sa nya jo de la amont de to ke da ke ci non so so la fianto per i mati biro ba o jo per i shanti e il tunnel che ora si arriva buona poi una considerata fidele ma magari voi ci chiara che caffè chiara che ma più ma all right che mia aide mia conoscenza si sono qui allora mia conca mia conoscenza mia mio del pubblico che mi era poi detto condoms allora mia co mia jojo kaka chi mia ko ya bala ochi Indiana. All right, so welcome to the transmission, and we will go straight away to our motivational segment, and we will come back and look at what's trending from our region, and if you like it, and that's if we have, and all and all. All right, so we have a motivational message earlier, TV or G on the best revenge is to improve yourself. Simple. the best revenge is to improve yourself. Well, this is a wise saying, a short, pithy saying by an unknown sage. If you were beaten down, you were defrauded, if you were ever cheated, if you were ever dissed, if you were ever disappointed, neglected, looked down upon, the best way of revenge is to improve yourself. That is just what it is. Now, me kwame mi ati beji pia kwenye mfafia dei ke marari kwenye mnyala aro no ame ko susu de ngo chodare ya ko ji nya ko ba bia de jeto ko bra mi to ko bra ba chi to ka kwenye na atu the queue te aro ayirango bobo le miambo so le am la kuju amaro o umubunamyo amaro o tutunami danaraga amaro manachinami ufinamento kana ufinamento agba onamba ma debra kama je wafiu amana na tacho amana agbo soro nya glomalo amana bokra eyo kata yina jiao yo kata micho no na jolo na ko ki ka kata wu ka ko ni na ma ha wele mo le ya me mi la na ji ya pie ho ni ba bia ka to ke ka mi yo na wu amalo alo na tue na chu ka sala alo na te ko alo na ti futu malo no na ma le fio ko ri cha ba na ko na tu ki o le te ko level are na le gulugiare main leta na karama rochi seko salo de ga uma de ga yi ngo uma de ga nyente ko la uma de ga ga ngo yi ma uma de uma himo kuga mama. So this is the issue. Ne karama rochi lo basolim ye kafla but do level adeko you know at a low level and yet an kutuma maru amama we watajifyafyo kono amoshide mabagram mukrupeto you know all these things happen. So nuke na temawo jabababere you prove them wrong by succeeding nobody can you become successful na planning no few will become successful that's what casino does. And that is the best way of revenging. That is the motivational message for today. Gaza, I check about it. 0242 670 Enye kapujishika na tungaza ako check about it. Na namu susu na namu chuchu na namu adamchu mto strong nyako banchi alo nya achuto acho awo me nyale. All right, nya zorango ako mtawenye nyajojo lukachu ya bentome were palon ko la plan nya ko to chuchu yare alo ya ba ko da shi so nya barang to wa da so na mana mi ko sa na euro ya ne barang to lo ne mi ko sa na euro ba ya ne ya to ko ye ba me ba ti sina kare ko ba ti ya mi plat mi da mi plat mi go ka ba ti ma ya ti ban to ka ko to ni ka ka allora mi ho na non si ne da you know Banyanchi, Miana Precio, English of American soul, wise saying, there's an American proverb, you scratch my back so that I scratch your back. Yeah, so it's a scratch word. If you have a mila, then you're strong like mia kujimane yanovyo unyane chino halaba omota kujimane and that is this so then mani amana kona ni ba man komi and it comes to the yapo bana de ya kala ma to ha do ni no ne ma lo lo masasa ma magachi all right miapo okay, there are a couple of press statements. Let's start with press statement. Me na either way. There are press statements. Okay, if you have a banado liu chona miako akaka alo mia director obo ala onye nya jojo alo amu sala amu jojo jiludo aro nyayo ke chona mi enye miako civic responsibility to do nye wona le mia kwa no chomba le na mi ko na mi to kala ro to fifi na imba do anesi nia ana do anesi bala chumia ko cho Ghana Police Service bo bala chumia ko cho Ghana Police Service bo nia actually ala we de kaje we aro o cho amashi cha cho ro do ala we do mo cho ke bai lab song. I think that's 20 years, and that's a very important thing. One number here, Bigatamia Asi, Bigatamia Atonasi, but my Karunia Pokalo, Yaromanami, Ola de Kajialo, or Sugar, or Yamala, or Amushicha, Ule Abogum, Robert.
So these two guys have been jailed for 20 years, and we have a press statement from the Ghana Police Service to that effect. For immediate release, Tema Police secured 20-year sentences for two human traffickers. The Tema Regional Command has secured the conviction and sentencing of two persons, Kingsley Indifon, 29, and Emmanuel Akong, 25, for human trafficking and causing harm. The Kaje Real, the Kaje Kingsley Indifon, of Igbo, Nkwema, Emmanuel Akong, of Blunkwema, the Kaje Real, Odo of Bla Lab. The two accused persons were arrested on August 2023 at Sebrepo, a suburb of Tema, following a distress call received by the Akienya District Police Command that some persons were being held in a house against their will. A police patrol team proceeded to the location and, with the assistance of concerned residents, arrested the two suspects and rescued
11 Nigerian nationals who were being kept in the house. The search of the premises led to the recovery of 19 laptops and one iPad from rooms occupied by the suspects. Police investigations established that the victims had been recruited from Nigeria to Ghana by the suspects under the pretext of securing employment for them under their arrival. Upon their arrival in Ghana, however, they were allegedly forced into cyber-related activities and confined to the house at Sebrepo. The suspects reportedly confiscated the victims' mobile phones and identification cards and compelled them to engage in internet fraud using laptops provided to them. Now, my press statement, I press statement, but the press statement, I want to know. And maybe give them if you feel like. I think I did. All right, I need that on the screen. Investigations further revealed that the victims were fed once a day and subjected to severe physical abuse whenever they failed to comply with instructions. They were allegedly beaten. And, and with laptop cables and machines resulting in injuries, including cutlass wounds. The victims were also found to be malnourished and in poor health. Mpuncture Nigeria via Faro Yogo, this is from Ghana Police Service, please. Then look at the details I sent you. Ghana Police Service le among of Vade, the Boba Ola among of Vade, a job. Ghana Police Service le report Ola among of Aloho call to the Kaje Vado Araboba Oklo Yujo Nigeria, New Oklo Yujo Nigeria, cover Ghana. Over 2 years, Home, 2 years, Home, no water, which computer, laptop, so black, iPad, or Chon Water. Dean of a Kenya internet for Rono, at your own plamo, Yavuno, Cato, non Chicho, Platano, Blam, Banodo Gara, Plato, not making Fungi, Fungi, Jokli, or Yapo. Tarakaja Vermont, Wo Domo, a Chofai. So that's 2023, that's 2 years ago. I won't continue that. So very important that we communicate that to the public. The accused persons were subsequently arraigned before the Circuit Court B. Gama presided over by Her Honor Naomi Dusey Ameniampon Kukuo on charges of conspiracy to commit crime, namely human trafficking, contrary to Section 23(1) of the Criminal Offences Act, and on and on and on. All right, so following the trial, Kingsley, Indiform, and Emmanuel Akon were found guilty on counts of 2 and 3, respectively. The court sentenced each person to 20 years imprisonment on count 2 and 10 years imprisonment on count 3, with the sentences running concurrently. All right, so the Tema Regional Police Command remains committed to combating human trafficking, cyber-related crimes, and all forms of abuse, and urges members of the public to promptly report activities and cases of human trafficking and other criminal activities to the police. All right, so signed ASP Dede Jack Basu, Head of Public Affairs. Okay, now I want control room. I don't know what's going on, man. I've sent you something from Ghana Police Service, and I'm reading from Ghana Police Service. I want to know what's the problem. There is a press statement from Ghana Police Service. 2 suspects have been arrested. And I can't see that on the screen. All right, so that is the first thing we have over there. And it's important that any other me and because any me catch a Nane Chimfia, Ghana Videka, Nano Kachachama Nigeria Videka, Alawa or Ghana, no Moroji, Mafiami, Oblamo, Banava, Topogao, Nacho Garura, Rojo Garura Plateau, walk or to beat for Alawa Navado Ghana, name 2 viewer, Oblano, or to Fun Plateau, or chat, room solely if you have a donia WhatsApp, a donia bond chat, a donia Skype, a donia Facebook, on at your room to have information about you. And so that's the press statement. I think me, Jim, I made here the view because I've finished reading the press statement. So I want the 2 suspects. All right. So, any business I didn't qualify. I don't know que Ghana Police Service go rumba yo chachi mi na yi na to aba na po fiara ko amol supora ko tanta ni Nigeria view Benin view Togo Benin robo yo QNet plato e jo ke ba mi se ba QNet abo rumba yo ma na fro plato ro abo ba nchu view subo yon via veton lo do el jim le ko afia you call the Ghana Immigration Service na ko ba mo ko first you call Ghana Immigration Service. na kpɔbeni amewo le nye fim abe kɔmputa be siabe kɔmputa gbɔ ko le modo o mo yina fia ɖe kɔmputa dzi ko le ke eƒe film ɖo to kɔmputa dzi ta distress call tso Ghana Police Service yi ke na be wole ɖevi eve yawo ta ame eve wona wo si enu eve wokpɔ be wowɔ alo nugbegblẽ eve alo fɔbubu eve ɖeka womɔ yi ɖe ta ƒe blaeve ɖeka yi mɔ ɖe ta ƒe wo gaka wokpɔ blaene wotso ƒe blaeve kple wo katã be no wo tɔ ɖe nu zi ɖeka so ƒe blaeve no we expect that they'll be out at 49 46 or 43 and they'll learn sense. So that's the first thing we have there from the Ghana Police Service. Okay, Miga cho Banara cho gold board bo Nami gold board bo Nami and gold board domaganye Sami Jemfi for lawyer so me. So for immediate release, legal notice to desist from the publication, republication, and dissemination of false and defamatory statements concerning Honorable Semi Jemfi. So Banacho legal practitioners and consultants. All right, Sami Jemfi lawyer so Monana Durafia. What are your names? Okay, we issue this legal notice in our capacity as solicitors for Honorable Semi Jemfi Esquire, and pursuant to his express instructions, our client has drawn our attention to false and defamatory publications currently circulating in both traditional and social media, alleging, among other things, that one Mr. Dominic Bonsu is or was his bodyguard, and that Mr. Bonsu absconded with 200 million Ghana cedis belonging to the Ghana Gold Board. These allegations are entirely false, malicious, reckless, and devoid of any factual or legal basis. Accordingly, all persons are hereby placed on formal notice to immediately cease and desist from originating, publishing, republishing, circulating, transmitting, or otherwise disseminating these false and defamatory statements in any form or medium. Our client expressly reserves the right to commence civil proceedings without further notice against any individual or entity responsible for the publication or republication of the defamatory material. Tagbalele mianbo ajo Sami Jemfi go Sami Jemfi gold board domaga ikegani kana kataglo to nyandela gane NDC aboblombo globe yepa bodyguard ikanye Bonsu ike woto paklia ejo Dominic Bonsu ejo le po alo tashi donji la kacho gold board ga 200 million Ghana cedi kojo uma anya ike blomolele yabalonji anya nkogbeble ne Sami Jemfi da ejoba amyokata toma mujujo but Marakamu Dr. Sami Jemfi work at 200 million constitution. And now I'm going to Sami Jemfi Gari, Gold Gari Fico, Lafia, so for the avoidance of that, Honorable Sami Jemfi Esquire has never met, known, engaged, or maintained any personal or professional relationship whatsoever with Mr. Dominic Bonsu. Mr. Dominic Bonsu has never served as the bodyguard, personal security officer, employee, agent, representative, associate of our client. Number 3, the allegation that Mr. Dominic Bonsu absconded with 200 million belonging to the Ghana Gold Board is false, fabricated, malicious, and wholly without factual or legal foundation. Over Jirupa guy over 200 million and on and on. So neither the client or the Ghana Gold Board entrusted, transferred, or paid 200 million or any other public funds to Dominic Bonsu. Any publication suggesting that our client authorized, facilitated, participated in, condoned, or benefited from any false financial improprieties, false, defamatory, and actionable at law. The mere fact, if any, that Dominic Bonsu Ventures held a license issued or was regulated by the Ghana Coal Board neither establishes nor can lawfully be construed as establishing a personal, professional, or business relationship with Mr. W. Bonso or a client. Take further note that each fresh publication, um, transmission, or dissemination of these allegations shall constitute a separate actionable wrong for the publisher, author, broadcaster, administrator, editor, or any person involved in its dissemination may be held personally liable. This is signed by Bruce Eugene Esiedu Ofe, Eugene Esiedu Ofe Esquire, license number EGER 01950/26. All right, so that's what we have there. Balea mi Colombia, a true Samija Fipolo, Peter Gogo Lumber. The Kayare, our anum of Amama license Nano Shifa, a local book Danny license, Abihana Yashika Charlotte Motorica, Kaka Kashasharka Malama, Bless Samija Fito. That one is Sibam Batabo Lumber, Olo 200 million Ghana cities, you can old book. Hertzone Americari code of Samija Fibo. Boy, you see you plug a Malamo. Yajuzo Kakapu Catania, Blonajo, Dora Catania, Bloma. No Siba, no Ponyo, Jilu, a set dog, when I go out of Tohakelia, Wa Ahino. So that is an important notice. We're going to talk about that. Sami Jeffrey Bonyaza in opposition as communication officer of the NDC, and most of them have turned out not to be true. So, what's the question about legal action and all that? And who cares about that? So, Amaro, these are the questions. So, but okay, what's the point? You know, what's the point? So that's a discussion we'll be having. Is this necessary? Do you have to sue always for this kind of stuff? And Sami Jenfi as a communication officer has said so many things also in opposition. So why do you care so much about reputation? I'm over if you're a politician, then there's nothing about reputation for you anymore. So those are some of the things we may be discussing when it's 8 o'clock. Okay, Mia Azorengo Agabo. Another press statement from the University of Ghana Medical Center, UGMC, University of Ghana, Konjiadele University of Ghana. Yeah, they have been trouble and Nyaroli Bisesem. The Kajiaraba Joy no Kapubla Nivo Eton. Chova University of Ghana Medical Center. I have Konji Union Lego, Konji University of Ghana, or Konji, Sukula Shara, Konji Lini, Poliafia Mina House, Konji Adalo American Clinic, University of Ghana, or Konji Laka, Konji Ye, if you buy a logi, I will look at Ugo Muhoshi. The Kajabaya is at 250,000, 2.5 billion, a guy, John Konji dollar, Dokita, Donoji Polo, University of Ghana Medical Center, Bono Boy, no Tano, Unabe no Guaro, Go, who Gamma Basic or Koya, that is fraud, according to the young man. So that's the background, a little bit of background. University of Ghana Medical Center Limited press release. So concerning the reported incident involving the physical assault of Mr. Blackson's sister on a member of staff, and the matter has been referred to the appropriate law enforcement authorities, we do not therefore consider it appropriate for the center to comment on this at this time. We are prepared to engage directly and privately with the family through the appropriate channels, and any specific allegation of misconduct by a member of staff will be investigated fully and where warranted referred to the relevant authorities. We appreciate the public's patience and understanding as we work through this matter with fairness, professionalism, and respect for all parties involved. Anyone with concerns regarding their experience at UGMC is encouraged to contact our client service team via customer relations at ugmc.ug.edu.gh or 05311033136 so that their concerns may be reviewed and addressed through the appropriate channel. About UGMC, what's this? Nyapon pola anyade yijicho and the kaja viare ike oban konya blanks so ida kwa boblomba no ika hopanyi. I think many this is the second leg of the press statement. So statement issued by the University of Ghana Medical Center Limited, client feedback on social media on 4th August 2026. So the second leg, so that's why the communication went that way. Leg on Accra 5th August 2026. Management of the University of Ghana Medical Center Limited, UGMC, has taken note of comments shared on several social media platforms on 4th August by Mr. Michael Blankson regarding the care provided to his late mother, who sadly passed away at the center on 16th July 2026. The management and staff of UGMC extend our deepest condolences to Mr. Blankson and his entire family on the loss of their loved one. We recognize that this is an extremely difficult time for the family, and our thoughts remain with them. UGMC values every patient's family's experience and considers all feedback, whether positive or critical, as important to improving the quality of care we provide. We have therefore taken the concerns raised by very seriously and reviewed them thoroughly, fairly, and objectively in accordance with our established clinical and administrative processes. We wish to state unequivocally that the facts presented by Mr. Blankson on social media contain numerous inaccuracies and do not accurately reflect the events that transpired in the provision of medical care to his 83-year-old mother, who was referred to UGMC from a referral hospital and throughout her stay at UGMC from 27th May to 16th July 2026, about 8 weeks. However, consistent with the ethical standards of our institution, our core values, we have duty to safeguard the confidentiality of every patient's medical and personal information, and obligation that continues even after death. Accordingly, and out of respect for the dignity of the deceased and the privacy of her family, we will not disclose or discuss in public domain the details of any patient's diagnosis, treatment, medical records, or account care. At UGMC, all clinical decisions are made solely by qualified healthcare professionals in accordance with sound medical judgment and established standards of care and the best interest of the patient. These decisions are made in consultation with and with the consent of the designated and authorized family representatives where required. Our billing and financial processes are transparent, strictly governed by institutional policies, and operate independently of clinical. You are not serious. Are you serious at all? You write this thing for us and tell us to read as press, and you do pay for airtime. Please, meet the University of Ghana Medical Niarafia. This is rubbish. Ogo Bromba, you have 250,000 Ghana cedis nami. Yoko ye no eka for 83 years. But remember, I mean, can't have make up 83 years at that any time. You come make up 83 years. But remember, ye Blankson Boblom, Michael Blankson Boblom in social media, which I may play later. So you are just saying the thing is inaccurate, the thing is confidential. So what are you writing? If it's inaccurate, what is inaccurate? What have they said? You have to state it. That is public relations. PRO, if you go to school. What is inaccurate? What is inaccurate? You want us to believe what you are saying, but you are telling us that the information is what. Enya yo bronye over me start me feel 250,000 ye plans and bro. Ye guy but me hole shi. Oh me nyaba yo no. Bona kuku alo yo mana na ko kacho yo no ko kuncho. No problem. Me but brona me fiaba they are professionals. Yo nya yo ko do yo nya konji do lo toki takankanga o we left ma onya ebo nya o refer o chuchu konji viare ke le bolobia mo choko ve den yo ba yo na butara nya mi ma bo. Blanson Baby who got 250,000. Yeah, you have to live here in the 250,000 for a Meshia Yaman or Nagari. I don't need Toma, I don't manage it. Dock up with Yamaje. Yeah, me who 250,000. Afi Dadaku. For what? Everybody of my 8 weeks. 8 weeks are 8 years. 8 weeks are 8 years. This is the issue. And you write this thing for us and you tell us we should circulate, and we are trying to circulate, and it's just plenty English, chat GTP English, and you tell us this thing. We think we have time for you. Mika Homamoshi by heart. This is what the boy is saying. And we expect you to speak to the issues. You tell us it's confidential. So if it's confidential, then shut up about it. Why are you writing this thing and circulating this thing for us to read? And we are reading, and you think we have all the time to be reading this. 250,000, University of Ghana Medical Center Clinic Limited. I attended University of Ghana. I know what I'm talking about. We know what we're talking about. Anything University of Ghana is stress. Anything University of Ghana is Q. Anything University of Ghana is, we are used to stress. We were used to stress. And now me nyakoba gaviara la manchi kukeru pero gabu boyom ejim konju kata. And I thought Chora Meshamaji, and you know, if you had 250,000 national, a small boy like that with 250,000 national, and no on social media, address the issues. And if it's confidential, then shut up about it. All right, 0242670773 is a number that you can communicate on 0242670773. You cannot have a discussion without stating categorically why. Categorically. The boy is on social media. And you have to state it categorically. If you are debunking, debunk it. At a later time, I have a global, you serve a verb, I go treat you no. And that is a fact. We are going to go into that. Fifia, your sister, over me, Pondorabo, Miao, your panel. Emma you know who you are going to investigate that. I don't trust you. Make the next press statement, but fake. Banare Dogochovayi from the New Patriotic Party. Banare Dogochovayi from the New Patriotic Party. This is Ikebo Blomba Egba MPP Toba your demonstration at home. You cover your democracy and attack demonstration. You cover your youth organizer, national youth organizer, NPP. Short press a meeting at soiree VR. Okay, and me gonna organize me in a shop where Gaga Amado. So this is what is happening. Egba mi no erefia, minya begba ye seat of office. Egba now bekwe keba yime ya mogware janya robiju. Ike Murtala Muhammad Plato Okule Omani Buama Muniru Plato Kafla Okolu na Jujole Chifa family. Kaka mi man mefifi nana ko gafia ba mi gafia ro fan Plato Mimo kuhaka kumasi ama oku egbenye akwereka da nkuruji wonaroji ke achota bugwa mochi. Very good. Gaga MPP to be you usetu aro umachunya mane susu ube ba ya yo demonstration keta eke amoyoka onye jutoma ga amoyoka kure dukwata. Okay, wo Mpurum, Boji, solemn way, a banyan kakarika, Yonka Kamana fan, and Pipitoba Yabri, and Abico, I mean, if you Guru, Jimba, your our demonstration. He can democracy and attack democracy. eko amado va no bana ya no fu be chonchi ya je ke mi oti jo ji ya ko kire ko blombe mi ya bana bro it is fake bana be for immediate release MPP postpones nationwide demonstration citing lack of legitimate organizer kire ko amaro no bana abo wofi Justin Kobia Frimpong signature Jordan Agbana taro Justin Frimpong Kobia a sign ikenye gbaniji glane NPP kana kata kaka mekunwa mabira ko banya mecho Justin Frimpong odi ikenye gbaniji glane NPP abo ke dokushimaro wo kwe wo mia prosube wo chogbene demonstration alo jolo dodo wona alo Professor said the fiaji dudu na ikeji gaba. So the paper you have on your screen which circulated yesterday in its original form is fake. Is fake according to the New Patriotic Party. And some of the things that they said was the New Patriotic Party wishes to inform all members, supporters, and the general public that the nationwide demonstration scheduled to take place tomorrow, 6th August 2026, has been postponed. It's not true. It's not true. So that is important that we make us aware of, or we know that paper ma you can do good job. But who cancel demonstration? The paper to carry the K is fake, according to the New Patriotic Party. Now, video de la miasicho, ike dogo, ike paper ya dogo video de dogo, ike organizer, right? Ne national organizer ne MPP to bakun bele akamichi alo le MPP ame. Miji miako video mara nyaike miji manya be video mara miako video mara ready I want to know. Ke miako mara quickly. Then we come back to the studio and we continue. So big bo Nika MPP to they were chanting yesterday. Let's watch that.
Wish away to save Ghana, the elephant, the winning symbol. Wish away to save Ghana. Eshi, rado, every call. Every call. Every call. Every call. Every and help us.
All right, that video mi kofi anye video kakakare avaloji le joy kebaima ira kwa organizer ima ne National New Patriotic Party and ira kwa mimagere amofu nyayo blo megere amofu la be minyama hiana kaka ira kwa joy kebaya eke paper ike mi kofi ike ji mi ngoro fake demonstration no the youth wing of the New Patriotic Party responded yesterday and Peter Kongi elegy that Ojiopa Tem she Platomata. So that is about that, and we are expecting that there should be demonstration. Na Apo Ghanaian Bonamushu Yarahoga Alaba Mia Akbora Nkawi Miaga Futonia over Nkawi Jim Yapa do then Yapa do with a couple do Yajuka or Yaponkale Yam concerning that briefly on that very briefly. All right, Mawun for Afimia in the break at Blackwood.com news quickly. Yakbom Nano Nkawi of headlines called Afma Afimia Joe. Holiday.com news, Thursday, 6th August 2026. Ghana honest foreign falling 8 today. Okay, Ghana honest falling 8 today. That's the first big story there. Egba, again, 6th of August. Ghana honest falling 8. We'll give you details on that. Esiedun Ketia slams Mohammed's third term talk as offensive, says Haruna misunderstood his thank you talk. National chairman for the National Democratic Congress, Esiedun Ketia, but ne yesasembe dukoklola John Dramani Mahama neka pro Ghana shitonia ebiaba kwene tonia kwene bantolai kwene beliamia ole you yesasembe dukoklola John Dramani Mahama pro Ghana kwene tonia ma, which is like 12 years. He is offended by that. Esiedun Ketia slams Mohammed's third term talk as offensive. Elbow near the PM Express, in an interview. He joined an interview at Sami. So that choice over here, and he did a lot of training yesterday. So Esiedun Ketia slams Mohammed's third term talk as offensive and said Haruna misunderstood his thank you to Haruna do so happen thank you to actually me up Dionama Machuyamaro Kumane Bruno Foley and Bruno Foley okay, I think is there a fracas? Is there a misunderstanding in the NDC? Is Naike Harina Gusubori don't be a no money for chairman. Actually, Kavaya Ashedun Katiago Namam, but Harina Gusuma say, when maybe thank you to maybe a good vote now premature campaign or more yellow. He misunderstood him. Thank you is thank you to Ghanaians for voting for them. And it's the same narrative that Bruno Foley was trying to peddle yesterday. That's fine. Let's grant that. Ghana IMF axed public projects in sweeping spending cut. Ghana IMF axed public projects in sweeping spending cut. In fact, IMF, you can do quite a who were Gado Lodge, not to call who were projects that can have 1,800. Everybody Jiruban projects will be 1,800 who touch you, Mogao. IMF do Ghana Mahagao. Now, actually, I miss Alumi Pulling and Shobalum of Gadodo Bosunre Jalabe. Gadodo Bosunre Jalabe. We saw that. Ghana Gadodo Bosunreji Alakabe. So we have that there. IMF projects you will. We will go into that. We'll go into that when we have time. Because name Jirubia no Gasa, Mio Gadodo Jisome Mele, Alo Gadudo Jiminoto, Ejubano Gato, Yano Gato, name Ponyo. Yemiako projects are a woman. We mimeted Bonai, a Gayokemi Duhago, and Gayo at Bayoka Jiruadwa, lower Foyoka Jiruadwa. I know me, the near fair video cry of one of them. Then matter simple and short. IMF axes or IMF councils 1,800 projects. That's very interesting. 1,800 projects that are being implemented by this government. It's a big conversation. We want to understand this thing. Let me try back. Project Bobo Jirubeao, Faswana Kaman, Tanoda she project Sanchi. Oh, where you go at Tangabo, you come in the other Uchu. All right, me the economy and policy. Professor Aka, Ghana GDP growth too slow for decades. Ugo Blomber, a Gagata Mikpona Jiru in GDP. Aro GDP kwenye national income. Okay? Maybe I believe sociologically, just national income. If ever we plan the dynamic ponal to woman, afi dokisi chala, afi jidudu. Okay? Afi jidudu. Gaya katami pona. Alo chumia kwa dona ma the fua katama put together is gross domestic product. Alo national income. And no ko gamma Kenya national income. You may so GDP divided by the population of the nation in a GDP per capita. And Professor Akago for decades, GDP per capita has been the same. So there must be structural reform to drive growth and jobs. Structural reforms to drive growth and jobs. And this comment is based on cancelling so many projects. We'll go into that conversation. Project get even Jidudu do point out different, but project get almost out cheap but too o copy to the lolito o suku horo but I mean come on. And this is not about any MPP. Oh, projects on a chapo on wonko DC never any to may have any the government change. So many projects are just abandoned. So IMF has tracked that, and similar projects have been undertaken by this government. 1,800 council. Well, Muntaka's family home bet. Muntaka, former Minister of Environment and Science, falling 8 old. Virekaku nyene dada lagbe le jobaji to atamali to makma upapoya ebijo. Another fire for Muntaka and a bad day for them. MPP snobs falling 8 holds them all today. MPP snobs falling 8 holds them all today. MPP told them for amayin bayo you they are going to make nonsense. A solemn day. Yakoda Bukame Bonji, a Faprokumo, Alawe, Kuku Quava versus Arvalake, Afi, Gahobone, Namaro, obey your demonstration. 2 jail 20 years over Nigerian cyber trafficking ring. All right, Yapon Boro, Oganina. Subama Badashi Amro de Banapagabo. Da Yarashiho.com news Banyam Alawe. Yaras Nkenya Badashi Okamia Hocho, Yakon Badabo, Academy Trova, Yazan Punazubana, Tony McBoy, Emia from 0242670773, no Macanatayo, Alo, no Macanatabu, Badasho, Bura, Alawe, Nibono Fadi.
No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary a so fi y passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard and you know the view. And you know the view canola basic level, and you know Americanola SHS, and you know Americanola University, a low language, then you make a maneuver by you, and be a strong but craha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know her. I must make a never the modular po, and be a strong but baha, no silence ever English dictionary, and you know mama. Nella Dilla was so mad than a player. Place order le Amazon a low number can call screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can also but if you la nyako no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no silence ever English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rick's Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, you to put it. I too much ready toy. When you want to killer.
Oh,
the mother from the mother my tomb. I'm not go.
that another Abraham, if I can't lay a party to point of boy hour. But the husband had the dinner around here. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a Passy Coco for Yahoka Catara.
Well, I'm not go.
Vai, Batacano Sugo, Itabica that is the Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
Where you vola togo, you man no Chicago, Mokung Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
nyapa toto wala toto fita itanye za vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yira vola to ona wala masa
vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe a gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la hudi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina nemiayi vola eba senta afima mi apota yola nyateba vola fifa law akululi le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achita padaka ufuto makata mele to wonyi de wa etima kolono ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wakuto wofukaume ofukama tutu dokata vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneva akodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hofo wie fo
yo mi akonkolo akona mi ba mi la ba bati bi bon dia mi ga ko ji ko nam ha ba ma ba ko ba da shi mo cho mi ko wona mo ba da ko to ni ma ba mi ko na ba to 0242670773 enya no ma ke ya tan acho akoyo na ba ya gra kama plima ka ko ji sha enya 0242 67073. All right. But as you want to about Ghana Police Service, le Jajado, Ghana Police Service, Jajaro, out of Ubitogo Boro, who le Jajado, out of Wato, the Suba, of I know democracy and attack where Dollar Unchi, the Suba and Baglaraka, mind you. So that's what we have. Me, I know you way out of a number of feet, me attend at the demonstration, net demonstration, attention government, ye, Toclaro Miabo, Alorico, Mipo, and Caramiata, Blochu, Chila, Yatacuma, me, Omataoga, Lentiona, Paro, Afi, one and now, Mamma, Najo, Tunya Hello at the Cabo Garage. A shiny banana DC, Plan BP, Bernova, Bonam, Kaka, Kakao, Messa, MP, Toko, Como, Tobayama, Kaka, Miao, Abanachu, Kakapula, Mwadi, Hero, Emily, Yapa, NDC, Plan BP, Tokata, Ipanam, Suba, Onomia Bonam, Aloba, Tepanami, Alodo, Susu, Abrofa. Que en mi cosa en el NPP man ye me ve ya no que me ya no hacer un prima ama para fufu atem ayo alo mi aroje na mi to mas me pobre ama ka o penye y ese niño como tapo ma find why not we'll give you the opportunity that is it. We are very liberal people, very independent people, very honest people. To our mila niya tapato, to our mila ipunang nonatere mi ka Georgie enjoy na jokwa said them when na mi ba mi api kama jowa kama mi oto eno akona mi ka jokwa kakakuru na ni said them na mi ba mi ta jajaru jim le National Police Headquarters yema na video mala mi agora tapi mi atan ano na amuna bumi kaje uvito papaji lei ko do ba asole na che koma lo demonstration na che koma alambo ba biona ba kawolo kwema ta anya makrajo na ko gashikiri na na makla to mo mia puje share ke female fia o Vitória lá o boio claro os papel da o Vitória o jajado tumala yam en bibiton ha mia nyenwe ba a simple rule to conchi nyayo brona mi okania magabe moi que ya ebe atualo fique o ba mi sonne du chime alo mi to mo ya la ko ya bawo alo yo sebe jidudu do kwara jalo jidudu le memorial park ka kokoko yo ba no terefiare alo nyagbebe yo masosoko nyagbebe masosoko alo ne me pomaro yo kami ko sebe we na NPP NDC to programma kami jibe obufu no that's not allowed. That's all I want to say. That's not allowed. Ajibe mi kata mi awo seji le egbe ona me plus ube pepe magawa gan kujina marako magawa pepe spray marako nani inafuma unto jamunya na umure munya nchi ilo mijibi. That's all. Na kunyamji mata agbema. Then yam kosem le king. Me aba mo se mi akole king oparo pleto. A seller to come. So you must be thoroughly law abiding. A povito coma, all ready. And never yafuma ba le mubachuma. O pepe spray, kujino monto yama. That's it. Nanya come vi, and never vi, and your cousin, anyway, I join a me on a yabu and I put a man yafina. Right, me that she Nyamanchi Nyaganya Bano. So police are ready for you. The confirm and make sure you do the right thing. That's all we can say. All right, me I did Africa Today. Africa Today. Nyako nyaka Global Africa Today leba. Okay. Africa Today. Court remands 3 suspects over alleged murder of Kwabena Brenya at Obuo Bikrom. Hello, Obuo Bikrom. Over Ulama Watondo Yokubisabo Uwame. Le Obuo Bikrom. Among Kwenye Kwabena Brenya. Da Ola Ubito Okotebo Unga Kwere Ubito Chilling. MP Joanna Jan Kujo makes significant strides in education and teacher welfare in Amanfi Central. MP Arema over Chicha Mfialo Sukuangoile Amanfi Ntome and Joanna Jan. All right. Term limit debate concerns Ghana's democracy, not Mohammed's third term bid. Asiedu Nketia Buplombe na yo yo enya jakan kobe third term debate Mahamadi alo amara taklo koje tolia manye asedu nketabu mwe Mahamad de nanu shiji tola banya pomelo kaka Ghana democracy. Asedu you talk to me, I don't understand. The constitution says there should be 2 terms. Now there's a third term debate. If it does not concern Mahama, who does it concern? Who does it concern? You talk too much, you contradict yourself. You may administer philosophy like square. Term limit debate concerns Ghana's democracy, not Mohammed's third term bid. Esiedu Nketia, Enyablo. Nyai Gememila Mahama Taka Kolomia Kua. Jetolia, miataka dako, Mahamana Gano Modume, Agasu President Onye Jetolia. Is it looking at Bomba? May Mahama Onya democracy Onya. In what sense? Constitutionally, hold on. JJ's constitution of 92 to 2000. Kufozoji 2000 to 2008. Mills va Kafla, Yabazomani, Nanava, Ewejefer. What else is there to talk about as you do? You talk too much. This is about Mahama, not democracy. Because democratically, we know you can do 8 years and that settles it. Please. Mahama billed as guest speaker for 70th Mepe Afenoto Festival Grand Deba on August 8, 2026. Traditional leaders urge all citizens home. Okay. Malabobu elebe pantom. Echoa merokweji we hotel malak makum. Fishavio. Nostong. Ke du corporation rawani Mahama yenye ame ke bemule berawanyong pulaga le mapato pa afenotu azaga ke wuduna. Yenye Blandreliana ke August 8 ikenye memorable. Yeah, memorable. To corporation Ravani Mahama no mape abaneblo. Da man. Traditional leaders urge all citizens to come mape view mi baba polo baneblo. Allo all citizens. Nenya vota vi we and you concern in a bad, action that's a good one. Come and support them. Gospel rock star Wham Bam sets date. Gospel rock star Wham Bam don't even that's it. For 10th annual Azusa Praise at Disciples of Christ Ministries near. This is an advert. Come on. Dr. Mrs. Ajipon calls for stronger academia-industry partnership to drive agricultural transformation. All right, Dr. Mrs. Ajipon, Zoom line, oh, don't go I think CEO or something, whatever. Okay, Mia Zorango, Miapo Agbana Bubu, da. The Chronic, no. Maybe Delegate. Obuasi Senior High Technical School students beat headmaster over baby burial claims. 6 arrested. Wow. Abdullah Zakaria, you know that I'm a bomb TV, Kenya headmaster, Obuasi Senior High Technical School. Sukuvio yokele secondary school Obuasi Tomo Sukutato over baby burial claims, 6 arrested. So we'll interrogate that and give details on that. As Sukuvio Obuasi Tomo 2 headmaster. Sorry, headmaster. All right, said in our time close, still caged. Kwachi Ofusu said in our time close, still caged. Kwachi Ofusu. Our to go over appeal court. The evidence mainly also said in our time at prison. That kind of demonstration. MPPNDC lock horns over democracy. Democopter crash anniversary. MPPNDC lock horns over democracy. Democopter crash anniversary. Okay. The Amikbo National Youth Organizer, MPP Henry Nana Boache, Rashid, computer, former doctor, Rashid Tanko computer, Omaba Placho Manoboku, Ranyata, Bekwanyakwe, NDC Tower, Yodon, Amoyoku, Toyamu Panjama, MPP Tower, Yojoroto, Adobe. And I told you to call, but do coprola, Bloji Ruba, was also Minasua, Robert Macborough, to Proroical, to Machuva, to Macblen. Achimota Forest Prayer Camp fee increased to 10 cities. Achimota Forest Prayer Camp fee increased to 10 cities. I'm over Dona, Dona de Yoramaula, Achimota Forest, Holy Ghost Fire. A guy gonna la, if you are but two mara do, but if you have 10 cities. If you have your mawa. Yo, Fumakumala. All right, the archives. Bosomchui Forest Reserve Galamsey terrorists remanded. Bosomchui Forest Reserve Galamsey terrorists remanded. Bosomchui Toma, Traffic Olo Boji John Olo Alo Joy Court called Bono Kubitobashimo. No Kubitobro Delbo. Obuasi Sectec headmasters alleged ritual baby exhumed. Obuasi Sectec headmasters alleged ritual baby exhumed. Police confirm body is male infant estimated 2 to 3 years. Obuasi senior high school Sectec of Sukutato Yika Sukuyo Tomie Njo Lerevi the vehicle of black of Vaina to Hedi when Yagalafia. Ola Mama Yamata Huaka, Nika to Jojo was said that they were with very headmaster Scutatori, DRFC, Ika blah blah or Puma, when you come, a task will pinure. Gabovito in Mamma with this Banata old Riviere. You can number for a rotom. Body my headmaster over a GDP. And ya you my gunner me coming to not die, Kakabala, Big Pocomba Ballot, Manta Mikla, speak of Puchoya Mabo, Olama Matera, School headmaster, the baby Luchata, Ogoma the number, the Via, a hoop of a headmaster, Dio, Oya Congo. If you had a map to Munkapa Congo, la cola going to Rakatavage. The Manelo na more fee alo afi koshana. All right. Rented Ghetto Boys and Girls lead MPP demo today. Rented Ghetto Boys and Girls lead MPP demo today. Barago Glomba over Hayamo to Bakum. But Nova Dojo Resiki the MPP Dong. Do I'm a Hayayo, Yokanya, Ubolo, the Bakum, Yoga Bahai, the Ronkuja, Dennis Miracle, Abuaji for Bovito Yoko. Toba tahono no ngolia no biara baba munja mu papa mani munja bu kaka ule oba cho atadi chiko kujine magba biga basse le mia po fungi na ja kaka pato tuyo be manyen ka glo mo na fiero oba ko na ba dore che boy so no ba e hai glo alo yoba litumba norashi miracle sabwaji miracle Washington emergency miracle sabwaji kayo over on konai 300 cedi gavio konai 300 cedi mo katene de nya 3 million ko boga ya mena kata makata atina mamu kunayo ga Dennis miracle sabwaji do gola homa ba do gola fuma no pickup ji no gata ma nyomjaba odu fofo gata I've seen my father da balai blombe amu kata gatu kresiki kaja the two boys also all right. Youth Ministry DTI partner for industry driven skills training. Youth Ministry DTI partner for industry driven skills training. All right. Youth Ministry, okay, we can leave that thing. All right, meet the National Enquirer. The National Enquirer. Ofosu Ampofo to bury father this Saturday. So the family of Dr. Samuel Ofosu Ampofo will lay to rest their beloved father, Ochiami Edward Kwabena Ofosu Ampofo, 93, on Saturday, August 8, 2026. All right, so that's that, and that's an advert. A year on, fare thee well. A year on, fare thee well. Dr. Omani Buama, Dr. Ibrahim Muktala Mohammed, Al-Haji Muhammad Muniru Limuna, Dr. Samuel Sapong, Mr. Samuel Abwaji, Squadron Leader Peter Bafemi Anala, Flying Officer Chum Ampedu, Sergeant Ernest Ado Mensa, fare thee well. Mika de nyua mo kata ko ma yonya mo ko pa ko to chi helicopter ba ko to ani le we ka ba yi me. Fare thee well. Baba Nami. Okay, and the last one there, and before we go. Garmanche throws weight behind Ghana Medical Trust Fund pledges support. All right. The national voice. Democracy under attack. Demo to hit Accra today to defend constitutional rule, if you like. I hope I can say that well. Dr. Sina Gerard honored as Taj Changemaker of the Year. Bank of Ghana's global operations suffered 1.73 billion loss in 2025 IMF. All right, national voice, but the more eligible, Dr. Gerard Nchi. Bank of Ghana gold board muku video ko ya ikaba imolu ko $1.7 billion in your loss so me asa bi the fruit of your toy can is it a loss or is a profit? What is the audited financial statement? Let's talk this kind of things. I'm Tony Maguire, 042670773 in your number. You get someone for the Joka Chapa. McBonner.
Oh. No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary aka so afi e passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can the basic level. And you know American SHS. And you know American university. Allo the language. Then you make a maneuver by view. And they are strong but craha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know how. I must make a never view module rapport. And they are strong but baha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nala dile was so mad than a player. At place order Amazon. Allo number can follow screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can also but if you can la nyako no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no silence ever English dictionary enyon tom.
From Germany to Ghana, Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sportswears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Fraget Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Fraget Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, you to put it. Tanya too much toy. When you warm killer.
Oh,
the mother from the mother tongue not to move. Come on, not go.
that another Abraham, if you better kind of lay a party to point for boy hour. But the husband did not fear. Coco not do not forget a winner, Yapon or passive and you went on young Kurama. Well, a passive for Yapokatara.
Well, when not you go,
Vai, but I can use to go. Interpica that as a Cremonton top. Well, a particular, Busiolo, wait off here.
When you vola tobo, you man no Chicago, Mokbong Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
Nyapa to do wala to fita itanyeza vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
ma una yura vola to
Ọ̀nàwó la mọ̀ sán. Vola patsikawo le atikedzraƒewo katã alo ge ɖe woƒe dɔyɔƒea me le Akublawu. Wodze ŋgɔ St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church tututu le xɔa. Akpɔwo le old fashion le aƒe ke le xɔƒea ge ɖe wo dzi le Agɔdome Yellow House Street. Wodze ŋgɔ local rice dzrala tututu. Woƒe dɔwɔƒewo le ʋuʋuɖigbawo tso gbe tso ŋdi ga adre kple afa va de asi na fie ga atɔ̃ ke le memliɖagbewoa wodze adɔ gɔme ŋdi ga adre kple afa va de asi na ŋdɔ ga 12. Ƒoka na Vola le 0244 512 1452.
Vola ne miayi Vola eva senta afima mia kpɔtɔ yɔyɔ le nyateƒe Vola efi va le o aklori le fu ɖe na o alele le fu ɖe na o dɔmeɖu le fu ɖe na o etsi teƒe ɖeka woƒu tome katã mele dɔ wɔm nyuie ɖe wa eti ma gblɔ na o be na yi le Vola Herbal Center yi ke ne dze ŋgɔ Aplawu Victoria Park afi ma nakpɔ dɔyɔ wotu akame woakpɔ ƒuto woƒu kawo me eƒu kame tututɔ katã Vola Herbal Center Dr. Prosper Debe neva nakpɔ dɔyɔ come on
Keɖoŋkɔe dzi be Vola ƒe atsika menyo na funɔwo, nyɔnuwo, nunamevi kple ɖeviwo mexɔ ƒe 12 o.
Okay, autos nyau le nyau banu mafia ke nyachore kava royo ke nyako nyata pote yo ke nyachore rani kaka kwenye nyaku nukawele newspaper the cover Roma fili nemia all right, we put the spider quickly. Get Fund UNESCO seal deal to digitize TV. Okay. Over Jirudo Pona Gakebiga Boku that in a sukuko to Pasukuanya Kakataku Ble got the who will have a war Jacob Panasu Tanyaji you Babajam operativity weekends who will go on a single Alohena, a single strong Ozamo down don't you. I got him a Professor Kofi Koda, named principal of St. Francis College. All right. Well, you are a Kotima, but doing Konya Professor Kofi Koda in St. Francis College. Well, so good. If you join here, NDC in the spotlight, roadmap row and chairman's riddle. As you look at here, keeps rivals guessing. But I don't get a gapum. You know my name, NDC gapum. Amu tamu get down while Kessie threatens protest over Death Trap Road. Ubomora Benapa Tapapesebe Unakachumo Yoga Demorakaga. Okay, countdown to August 26th, Ghana moves to unlock Volta Lake's billions. VRA, GIIF in 24-hour plus, 24-hour, 2H plus. Secretariat begins high stakes talks on master concession agreement as chief of staff warns negotiators no excuses. What are you talking about? Ghana's moves to unlock Volta Lake's billions. Volta River Authority, GIIF, Ghana and GIIF. And 24-hour plus, Secretariat begin high stakes talks on master concession agreement. Concession is an agreement. What is master concession? Let's forget about this newspaper.
It should be a master at least.
The archives. Boston Tree Forest Reserve, Galamsey Forest. I think we've done that already. Me, the newspaper, the Ghanaian Times. Let's look at Ghanaian Times. If not, we forget about it. Ghanaian Times. President Mahama inspires African Caribbean youth to become problem solvers. That's a great one. To Kokola on Sovio Jamaica. Albo to so Susunoko Putana Buhio. Negotiations begin to flagship Volta Corridor project. Dr. Julius Debra. We don't know what the project is. You have an idea? Big push Jim and Yarumu Uber concession, Volta Lake, their concession, Aruna Chicago, the Volta Lake. You just use words to create confusion in people's minds.
Probably because the email
clickbait, eh?
Email privy to the real agreement with that. But massive so that
Obuasi said tech disturbances, headmaster battling for his life, school closed down. Obuasi secondary technical who headmaster, who headmaster, this is how he concludes. Garmanche backs GMTF, urges more investment in medical research. Water quality improves slightly, but illegal mining still a threat. Water Resources Commission, but if you achieve a cheaper, more current, a cheaper, more social way, okay, these are the issues we have around. Okay, now this one.
Yo, I bet Malcolm to the TVET, that partnership. And then we feel them over the years, universities will not complaining. Then we have a syllabus, we have a models over the theory based. Practical, so many dynamic, innovative, thinking, then you have some more because we could be the cheap and poor. And then the world too is moving from a cheap and poor. If you as I see, plus Suako, now they're moving, enemy, the Susu, this partnership with them, have a technical, vocational, educational, Kiwa, and they show I help. They are trained more of Asinuto, yes, they able to do a Imakabano, toothpick, little porto. Akemia Zamia Pesu, Premier Pay, manufacture, and every economy here developer. And we are willing to talk develop the economy. Like economy here always a village with poor. Near you have a story kaka paper, Jico, Pluto, and other big Pamedobo, the chief economists will play marketing, but no come to practicality. But always Susan Paul and make a song. About making the economists know and managing your economy, you let Pluto, I can know how. I put a lecture per seminar, but in a classroom, collect it all in a charge it to all generate squad. Without presenting, could be from the wow, idea, brilliant, telling practicality, there's nothing happening. So this partnership before at least a step in the right direction. At least for some of us, yes, not any theory. And so make a maybe valid, use to don't develop valid coding, you know, so meanwhile, these are things, at least, which you need to comment. I can so make a million working. So with that code, they develop app and that app is just like Gigi, quick search, then a Play Store. You can use it, uploads and things.
Yeah,
yes.
I have an advert on your program.
Oh, it's a nice one.
I have an advert.
So I think these are things okay here.
No, my other you brand like a brand. Yeah, advert man. We can do
it. So it's a good one. And then coming to the Volta Lake New Year,
no, let's not go there, please. Let's leave. We are not sure what that is.
No, just
concession, master concession, Julius Debra. We are not privy to that. Today we are doing demonstration. MPP Togo demonstration. MPP defies government. Let's go to hoide.com news, please. Hoide.com news. You see,
Because come about it. But that's the clickbait, misleading headlines. No headline. Hold on. Now you're in Nigeria. Now headline, but not caption.
Yes.
I am going to say Nigerian newspapers got big headline, small caption. Then the US, big headline, small caption. That mama paper plug it. Afi ad me le paper. Like I will have idea of me can more paper. Do you understand? That's Nigerian Media Commission.
By watching the police that, already I'm here. Headline.
Headline. Oh, headline and byline. Byline. Via the letter, I have 2 lines at it.
Or maybe, okay, look at me, subtitle. So I change subtitle.
I'm a subtitle byline. A headline, byline, and then via the letter.
And one thing, head on a probably title, actually. Attract, no move up, you have page history. I can go summarize read that if you have
an idea. Yeah, but what I'm saying that Ghana fear US Nigeria newspaper Ghana because in paper those days JJ time PMP JJ Papi channel of Young Viareka Kafra no I don't just to sell the paper, they shall get digital pictures. No.
They are the master plan.
So please don't guess it.
Master plan, and you know, okay. It's a good and a huge project. They unlock, especially the catapult. This trade app, utilizing the voter liquor. Now read the master plan. There are a few things you.
MPP defies government, vows against. MeYehoWede.com this weekly. NPP defies government, vows against protest. Vows against protest. Sorry. NPP defies government, vows against protest. Just a small brief read on that. The New Patriotic Party has declared it's okay. I think I can explain that. That about democracy is under attack. Out of leadership said in a time of October. Fleece of Osu, Kwachiba, Fochide demonstration, said in a time of the prison, still, some people are not satisfied. And because there's a ruling to release her, acquit and discharge. So, Egba, as we are commemorating the death of the 8 fallen heroes, are you getting it?
Yeah.
There's a demonstration ongoing. About the one you take a father. Me Katamia call Adebubu, American Burma, MPP Tower demonstration one. So MPP snaps falling 8 holds them on today as Ghana honors the falling 8. Honorable. Earlier, people police on her, police will already.
Yes, so
police will already.
Yes.
The moment you're going to have police will already with one and everything. So, what's your position on that? Or to come over about that?
No go kuna mi viga kaya kama kuchua. Kumaka examine popo ya to babane. Mi ape ministers or play the military play kumetoka tame obuo pa mefefiwe. Medikai disaster yajo. And then
that need pomenya ovito kwa chacharo. Ovito kwa chacharo no your birthday alobra your birthday demonstrators unchi. That those are the angles I want you to touch on. Yes. Your birthday, your song, blue, prosube demonstration alo choria do wala wo onu. Do don mchanga je fiato ajegato your birthday unchi. Maybe your wall, your that wall, and your quotation.
Yes, so after yes, Profitope Chachradua, Eletepe, and then the Dak Benawe, and go Chebele under the NDC government. A day as the similar morning, Chela, there's the Profitoa, American interfere in Upe door now, maybe a program like GETA. You must provide security now because of program energy. You got a unnamo. Look, what the administration over here. Next, the egbe onye de emi kale kudo mi aba me vivi a o mi bujia na o ma no kake ya anda mi abe president a emi be o fairness transparency but to come if you are express look we de esienwa aloleke de esienwa mina mo en dokuma a do beda no aka encourage go fit all yes no o le ji ya amuwa won bubu dowe he adojuku be wa mi art in a way he aba dem be government en pli toweta ya chole nyanya be wa we kake go fit touch no professional na bele ku wona o be done ni a no make sure be ame jikudo do reke amava anabe wa variat waba defu here kaba blame abe government view as long as say unya na mo be no work wa yes no protest we no whatever be no work peacefully at the end of the day me brother future be over demonstration ya man na be ne ka be fini abega ma ko gavo ima la bi be ko gavo ta no na mo no we ka ke na be fini abega la ni akwe
statement ya ona na mala contradictory nya dona la taki jan kuta oba ma de figa aroma ko shire jiru pa ga to the tune of 90 million cedis an kwa yese na kama o jimba na va ma baba yo live ala ram samale prison ta enga hola moshi both NDC and MPP yetai ola said na tama bro akamio mi bada she said na tama bro mi wa oral jumanyuma charity begins at home. Oral should begin from the NDC. Yes, but judgment begins from the house.
So, akpede enaya bro letter. Kake no ko abe said na be nyaya mi ko chum ba.
Imagine said ya banya ma ko bro be ama oba
ta akpe na bele ke bele ne and oba dufe oba dasi mi abe game. Ta
wo mi ba shi dem
for now, because Attorney General coming over stay of execution.
So the demonstration is in the free interest of the NDC.
Yes, I am not already. NDC government, Majama Babylon proceeding and never face a sale. They actually, and the NDC government credit and of
Miawe just traditional government. Said Natama.
Yeah, I may hold Jacob change of Obeton. No.
This is a legal process. Now you go there, you go wrong and lie or pass you court, which is a federal court, and I go say that OJ process are coming. That Attorney General changer, Attorney General Department. There are civil servants working independent of change of government, and I go say. So the process continues. About wounds, judgment, your government doesn't have any control over you.
So no, I can be a work. Kaka commitment actually no me asime enu ya hedeji ya me pursue na the NDC government me never be maybe ya so aka
this is legal and ya the court na ya the high court the NDC vow MPP vow the judge will keep adjourning and doing the case. So let's see hold on once the program to be educated but na ya top notch nya ko central like program
yes so ya no but eke community lo che na se nyebe. There are times that you call the interference. Yes, we're talking about okay, US nuclear. There's no way we're talking government, Ghana government have to interfere in the process. But in a way, a government push a willing but never a commitment melody add to the process area. So that is the understanding. Majority establishment. 100%. Anything about government, they never face a prosecution with it. There's no way government have fast track and make effort to
100%. Hold on. 100%. Hold on. Budget. 100%. Net government willing. By a woman, Attorney General Grama in the Supreme Court. And I go and say me. Net Attorney General willing. Never be a woman the Attorney General in Supreme Court. So 100%. I can imagine when I say go anybody, but I probably US extradition process. I just gonna
okay. So that's
all I'm trying to
say. 100% on that premise. If you have a government ready to fight corruption,
perfect.
If you have a no face. They are not about even research a Jagoma and not a said way to benefit and give a appointee. ima honyare no esie anekwe ta said in avali yes to process odemo now Supreme Court will equity Attorney General appeal court yes appeal court equity no yeah Attorney General represent government I don't know how let you know yeah the same that no state execution no bubo ni agbo sena no government na government be le willing be ni agbo nu ya there's no way Attorney General I get no and no state execution if you have a government that are ready to fight corruption
okay so let's come you will be delivering the effect on the listener is that a switch. Do you understand what I'm saying? That you know, unless journalists are here, journalists are here, I cannot bring us banto chevelia. Qua, maybe Roshio, many job, but let me repeat, man. There are so many things to listen to. Do you understand? So, Fifia, meeting me as Orango. You still talk, you just hold it and you still talk for free. Fifia, I'm a minister of communication, for Felix President's communication, but in spite of these, said in our guidance sound, and you're going to say me, to what end? Graphic Yama Bloom, do Blomber, or no full aparamane, and we'll demonstration. Do Blomber, I never going to get a token, but Black Comagimo. Eyo, la man, Kena Fimi, Mena, and like, you know, there should be some accountability or transparency. As a commonality, because the law court is working, but the people also want to know. Thank you for me, John. Does it have anything to do with the demonstration of what, in your view?
Yo, I can't money. So, maybe 50 demonstration, no. The Kodibeni and Ghana Tono Yabedi, government eddy, Melanake war, le victime, I know victime bedi, Ipa mo ni adasinu. Ya inata, Megloeli, Abeho, Waluya, Attorney General, ebe state of execution, ta eka lefima. Ta ejebe demonstrators on Yabedi, government ebe accountability driver, LG, ne dumia pe gala, you must account for it. Ya inata be na nanu Yabedi, said in ade, elefima. Ta he said in ade elefima. No, eke kwa me ma wonke, nuka enye demonstrate, nuka only yanye nuke tabe yo demonstrate over democracy and attack. Oglobe corruption. And that corruption na over government la le opponent to prosecute ya la si de oton now ya na ta communication nuke le oglobe okay said in elefima you know that say mo ele pome that there's no way me aton oglobe government la si de le ton he o fine now me aton me be opposition nuke o wanu ya now look at opposition no le gbogbo na mi be fifi like open national service ega amede ya eba account la no nyava ko eko ghost names so jeremy will ga ko push direct account me so many millions of cities are government make a them more oh neko is free ne da silo bafa stock ega ne da silo sky clean ega ne da silo but because the government hele amoho da accountable if you have a government they do. Just ensure, is it India or one of the countries where Obe IGP, Obe Ewonane, Obe no sentencing to death. And that serves as a deterrent. Then the Echonchoneya Menocho Kavano Benano, Edukope Gandri, Umase Yakacho. I don't know Edukoyame, Obe Buffer Stock, Unaga, Obe no plan to do the school viewer, I don't know plan to know one who supply the schools where. Schools only, Obe no do poor. Kake Kamala, and they are called build apartments where they're renting. Up there was serious bags when they feel the school plan to do bad go. Can you at the end of the day, the government here dealing with you? Can you act okay, all opposition attacker? No, can you let me call a corruption fight there? And this is yes, a job because now maybe NDC go there and any other party here maybe I raise concerns where I know at the end of the day, any other Gamaude, Maton Yisigo. I mean, look at what I mean. So for me, it's a good one. What don't demonstrate? Why the I express look fan? Police who are no guide where they the police officer now at the end of the day what global they were very professional in their ability to split away. At the end of the day, demonstration ani. Mefia be neka me defini abe Ghana Ghana. Ima lami ako Ghana so mi ane akwe. Ta leko ideology ala ora plitola sibe college gbema. Ta ya no continue. No more demonstration. Man we Ghana na be government are relax the effort to crowd. Then they should continue. That is allowed. That is a democracy. You are allowed to express yourself, do whatever you want to do. The only thing, even the whole track, then will be stabilized. We have peace, play to her. Then after COVID, all of them make sure they put in order. Gake mi have gayara, mi have ne abuse over office, mi have. Time I no nyamuchum is
democracy. Any demonstration in the interest of democracy is in the interest of the people of Ghana.
Yes.
That's it. Namafiga kodimi Tony.
Yes.
You see, and crime does not have any political coloration.
Yeah.
Nemwanying the black or Mihatunama.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeko blom mile. Elanya NDCO. Elanya MP Mihatunama. Kakemi majiba mia feel. Majiba mia asebedi de pachareta amade kiminya banya magala pachara mayafu aya go seme ya amade kinye pacha amagala pachi buarema eyimo enyem no ya fiasi journalist. What I believe should have been done is that everybody will try said in Atama. Don't sit there, okay, within 7 weeks they said in Atama prove Ghana ko na lack of evidence. To me it's total rubbish. Go back and try. Hold on. Excuse me. I am the host. Please, we are not. Please, hold on. Let me talk. The Ekade, I'm just saying this in, but I'm fully behind what Attorney General is doing.
Okay.
Mr. Attorney General press statement. So I'm informed in my commentary. And I'm going to say, so if you disagree with me, or then you have to first disagree with the Attorney General. I get what I'm saying. So we are fully behind the enforcement of laws. Do you know what I'm trying to say? No girl bunabe enyembebla no bubo chonya no they should do. She was not around and she was trying abstention. So everybody has right to defense. You understand? Do you understand? Never konya remwa jona chichola then the sijo tanka kevimo ba monofuma ya ofun money onyabede. Nobody is above the law. Go back and open the case.
And so that is why Attorney General coming.
So, and you see, hold on, you see, this is journalism, this is the job of journalism.
Yeah.
We transform society.
Yeah.
Our parliamentarians make laws. Based on these laws, okay, judges rule. Miss Romulo, Potosu, Platoyo, whatever I want to say, I feel also, Zana. So we as citizens can say, no, we are not comfortable with this. So I talk to my MP, you talk to your MP, and we go back to Parliament and we change some of these laws. That is journalism. So please, let's.
Yes. So no, and I hear, bro, very tired.
You understand? What is the problem?
So that is why it will even I have been communicated such that yes, and you me fall into the latter.
No, sentence number me what went wrong was she was not around.
Yes.
So enyama balance so enyaba ya paraka.
Yes.
So fifiade Elia so
So definitely we'll go back. And at the end of the day, even this very case, NPP and the NPP Stephen Amwa in charge of mass worker who contract company, they get a link to Yaiwo auditing. So there's a lot that to like you will engage and it's another issue that for this very case, Attorney General only hand the brain. I fall into the latter. Near seven. Then we have okay. Court appeals court. For that video. Yes, we rectify.
Now, just a quick one. Just any appeal court judge on again.
No, for that number.
So then you appeal court judge on any you do on fast check. After you comment, you will empanel you will shake your head. Let me leave you.
No, but aside that, no, not possibility. If you have no, yes, so yes, that evidence only. Evidence to talk about. Yeah, not actual on judgment, man. That is one. Time at all global, yes, also, but definitely I'm a local. At the end of the day, the evidence is available.
Okay, let's do some politics. Let's do some politics. Let's do some politics. Let's do some politics. Actually, okay. And yet there was a nice conversation between Shebi Nketia and PM Express, what was that? Yeah. And I said it's a whole conversation. And Amoroko Blombe, it's good that Shebi Nketia has spoken because I said you even want chacham, amo chonchi, amo nyablo, mankam. We monitor conversation fully later, and these are some of the things Asiedu Nketia said. It's still on whowedid.com. Asiedu Nketia slams Mahama third term talk as offensive, says Haruna misunderstood his thank you talk. Are you getting it?
Okay.
Haruna Yusuf Blobber, no Blobber Mahama na Gablogana Zetonia. He feels offended by that. It's an offensive comment to him. I said, look at it. This conversation of his taken offensive argument. Binaji, a virgin, offensive. I'm offended. Like an argument.
And then I say, okay,
offensive comment.
No, so, okay,
no, I'm telling you.
No, we are
the news is in my boss.
No, so
as a comment, yes.
That chairman statement, my
yo, EG globally. So it's a sibling get just slams Muhammad said talk as offensive, says Haruna misunderstood his thank you Tom.
Yes.
But Haruna have a woman global move, thank you Tom, then that move, thank you Tom. To go for a female moment. But he misunderstood it. But Haruna Iddrisu decided, Asiedu Nketia decided to ignore Haruna Iddrisu. Go be, but I was president of Ghana, I will not rule that out.
Yeah.
All right. I want us to, for the last time on our show, nail this conversation about that thing. Does Muhammad deserve a third?
No, so no, the reason why Obe offensive na anybody. On several occasions, Mama be you.
Oh really?
Yes, on several occasions, Mama
mentioning two.
Oh, on I think the last New Year, I'm addressing. The part of the on some occasions,
on several occasions, they were mentioned to politician.
No, I have done already on
several occasions.
Yes, outside.
First one,
that idea never echo. And so
just mention it.
I do video now.
I do video now. I do video politician.
So today, chairman and full of offensive because even on the very sure, on occasion, Mama Belebela, take them looking at the constitutional and constitutional clear. Kake amo kabale kale suggest bela and possible why
parliament. But the people of Ghana are calling for a third term. And I don't know who he calls the people of Ghana. We are journalists and we are supposed to ensure there is peace. Hey, so about it. I am a journalist here on radio. I don't move microphone. I don't radio, and that led to war. So we are playing a very sensitive role, okay, as the fourth estate of the realm to safeguard. Yes. And please, journalists, So allow me to probe. But Kabo Glory widely circulated. Imagine why Manuel Chairman Kabo about me a variant of a general secretary of the party by TVG by American Mama Kafun Bernadette. They are bootlickers. They are bootlickers. They are psychophants. These are two words you use.
Yes.
Political science words.
Yeah.
Onye bootlickers onye American Amerano Kafun and ka bootlickers afu ike aku ipa de kono abi ma bubom na mala ba dan bubuta. And psychophants. These are the words used to describe people within the NDC or in Ghana, assuming they were Ghanaians coming for this.
Okay.
As bootlickers. And your chairman was not happy. But you're not Bojilina yourself. If I can be called a chairman, you understand what I mean? Because, that's it. But you know, Jimpina Mahama Tona Punta Mahama, Toma Popum Hade. Blonde Ghanaian Super. Hey, get take them out get them. Honorable dangerous.
Okay, so there's a big Kaina in short, Mahama Babu during the citizen engagement. The whole technical. Yes.
After Supreme Court has ruled.
Yes.
I have a Supreme Court rule, but there's no third term for Mahama. Are you aware? You have a Supreme Court rule, but there's no third term for Mahama. Just recently.
No, so
Africa.
Oh yeah, Emma Ellie. I can't believe I talk a challenge. Because
I'm not challenging that.
No, maybe I'm not talk a challenge the Supreme Court ruling, but you can have further interpretation.
Okay, then review.
Maybe I'm not because no constitution I global consecutively, there's a breakdown. I can seek for further review, further interpretation of that term. That on several cases, yes, for citizen engagement, Ghana told one more time. After then now that is it. So that is what Ghana told.
Majority leader from the party.
No, majority leader. You're entitled to that block it block. Fine. I make a year. I never aware Nigeria. No, I don't push. I'm never mind you. So look at that. I probably not have a chairman. Never like but you're not have a chairman. I'm going to make our sibo because I'm here by you. Time le force me, I'm le push, by the way. Me have to Ghana, me have to about okay, I guess you maybe no working for Kula Info. I'm the push about take over. That's why then you have a push. You're not able to go well offensive night. And then about the thank you to obey ignore. Maybe fine because you tell me for go. Thank you to all the happy. The president is doing that. Me complain. Then why is the chairman also doing that? Okay, at the point before okay, the chairman, I be the chairman of the party. That if thank you Tola is just to thank a party members who are looking to okay for president Tola, it's a general something where the party told that there could be a thank Ghanaians. Okay, me have a chairman party people. Yeah, I be thank you. Yeah, that when I
so Nanka. That when a party talk.
Yawe want to executive so play my way. Yawe want the president. All Ghanaians
doing the floating.
Yes, and the MPP talking to vote. And MPP, Akpedana vote now. Kake chairman the yes. Maybe initially, me have to me that kake him in the say na video ka won ke bila. Maybe in one way justified by me understand. But at the end of the day, check global is free with all of them. Yes, even so for me, I think that's a nice one. And then global will really now okay. Yes.
So in that case, then there's no problem.
Because
President Akpedana Ghana Katan. Yeah, I see you Akpedana delegate so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see Haruna Idrisu mo thank you to. If ever that thank you to is a subset. It's a smaller thank you to because you are dealing with the party. Yeah, Mahama is dealing with it. So it means
probably the understanding the never down. That whole thank you to I'm over go president to contradict I'm not looking one. Gake afterwards, he Susua and Enuki Bavala, Wakobe, some of the statements in Milo Petila, Mele, New is there maybe I can pretension in the party. But yes, Minabe General Chairman. Yes, from since independence, Minabe and the world west, and the politics, and the cinema go. So maybe no football, this is the right time, very general, try the best shot. But yes, constitution now of the review, look at over 35 years. And then you are Simon Plato. Yes, you can try to be president. At the end of the day, now the delegate or now more than represent your party. Then okay, the entire Ghana touch and appeal now, but Suzuki they are covered the parts of Ghana top problem. Then here they are assess way. Okay, a general can do it. Then whoever you have votes now, they give it to you. At the end of the day, the ideas you have, the vision. Here have led to qua. Here another I believe way. And be a vote now. I want trust to them be a vote now.
Very well.
Yes.
Thank you. 02426700773. Elikan Chomo Umamisa. Operation Yam Juma. Edana and Visito Akabami. Kumipum as a very honest and patriotic guy. Ghana access public projects in sweeping IMF-backed spending cut. Ghana access public projects in sweeping IMF-backed spending cut. The government of Ghana has cancelled nearly 1,800 public investment projects following a nationwide review designed to entrench fiscal discipline and recalibrate expenditure priorities. The International Monetary Fund disclosed the development as part of ongoing efforts to align public spending with macroeconomic stabilization objectives under the current program. The sweeping audit, described by officials as the most extensive in recent years, targeted stalled, duplicative, low-impact initiatives across ministries, departments, and agencies. And the IMF stated that the cancellations were intended to improve public spending efficiency and strengthen the credibility of the budgeting framework. Miracle, IMF told the book as at the first and Jokabai, Alba would free the Jidudu where one at the Karakapuma, but Carlofan Yin, the Nyokatan Gazasan, he come a chord back by the man to go. Initiatives are Agaro, one alo to Pro, along Bayer, go to a Ghanaian so. Row to ministry arote, row to ministry agencies arote, row to assembly arote, who Chalaga to over each do about 1,800 projects are whole year. Because you do rebay and dead we are choke according to the budgets now. I remember these are useless projects. 1,800 projects asked. And the whole day.com news. 1,800 projects asked. And you know, I talk about what I have heard. As you're going to say, maybe about the whole bowl. Then you have to about me can you tell me if you watch video, kakakakawum, ye blomele. Da woga or projects are you could you according to me go out budgetary allocation. Na you there to ma a gaku sanga yola de yam. As you're going. So my number one question. The fiabe yevu nano nyami na nyanyam inya kwato govelali e kasio tonava kle budget abe yole faithful. I will statement that the media budget group the amount of money a minister spends is not what make him efficient, but how faithfully he spends the money. Ever how faithful he spends the money? I think he's trying to say how faithful he spends the money. You understand? And when you want to joke Nyana Broji Monayo, I don't know Shamanako. I have a minister Mupuga, or Doyle. In fact, I'm going to cover to this, I support all the gallery, Magra, Programmer show you. That you are going Makina, Araga. Learning revelation, I'm going to Maki Pompuma is non facra because I can't go Makia, do Jimba, I can send away the guy, do the Gamma. Afi IMF go 1,800 projects. Yeah, that's useless projects you are doing. I don't understand. Honorable. Yeah. Answer these three questions. 3 layers. But we are too forced and very efficient. all the budget was like I'm efficient and meow projects on me do it. I get what I'm trying to say. You put all these things in place. Fifia, upon you have a number to show where government is spending, not knowing the little that they are spending, which they are calling faithful, is even wasteful in 1,800 shapes and forms.
You Ape. So this reporter, just under the NDC government, they have reported.
That's not my concern. Government budgeted, that's the topic.
Yes.
Government, everybody, that you, government, that's what we are discussing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, no, according to review,
various budgets.
Yes.
We don't need to spend money on all these things. Whether this government or the previous government.
Yes, so I think
it's economics, not politics.
So that is fine.
Yeah.
The budget, and then I may be at time. Yeah, but I dog. So a dog government. A dog you see,
don't even go there. That's my last question. Don't even go there. Answer my first question.
I'm coming there. They are not available already. Most of the government projects were programs ready. They can reduce it to just slogans when play MRO. Me probably the projects man in the community, the area may have benefit and how sustainable projects man. Now, Ejibema Kodika, me have program there to require me over one district, one factory. One district, one factory. Many Gavi and government got the project now. Project now, yeah, a year. If you could project only, project now, state go do. Hey, what here? Raw materials, whatever call factory so many. Example, we have the Jolo Peter over starch factory. There's no cassava plantation. Hey, Ojego me crya factory, Vado, there's allo Ojego me ya onabe cassava plantation, the Telegia, the Kemel Isibo. Now, factory, over Edo stage there, cassava plantation, the Kemel. The factory about a ready day, let me call it cassava or raw materials where I produce starch, menu. That loan, Hemikoa, eco project, my heavy the interest everywhere, and no interest here. Project Echiakoji. So that project then at the end of the day, they help Ghana at all.
Mabiaro, I know that it's Yama, we bear I anger more and showing me. One district, one factory. Would the Wogafia?
No, yeah,
because now you're swimming, but
no, that's what I think. Yeah, not the IMF level already. Some of them.
No, answer my question. Question everybody. Do Papa one district, one factory. Would there work?
One district, one factory.
Would there work?
Question
I mean, do there work?
So
they did some.
No, yeah, Jolo, Peter, my cover, according to the man.
Young men,
no, Kake, Yamina Goblobedi, how the people many waste of funds because at the end of the day.
No, but you will come to that because after your general assembly, technical advisors only, these are civil servants. But what I'm going to say, that Matechuka Gera Marape region, I am Marape municipality. I am a district because district assembly. That district assembly, they have a form of council or parliament via the logi. You understand what I'm trying to say? I'm not following that whole. I'm not following that tangent. Because assembly, I can't technical people, engineers, or surveyors, or kata olefuma. Kata pomia. Oh, now have execo. Independent body, independent advice. And you kata as. People who are technical people. So I will even jump into that. So you continue.
Yes, so yes, we have the DC, Pretoria. That's the project. Go, never you go. Now, at the end of the day, okay, government they are DC, but never. okay, project they look away here.
About assembly now.
Yeah, but even assembly, you have assemblies and governments, and government there, yeah, assembly, you don't have a say now.
But assembly members represent you, so you want it to be there.
So
no this.
So
see, you might not fear about the ad that she we shall criticize him. Hey, don't hear assembly member there. Look, no, district chief said you might have a boss in or something. At some our burger, you know, like as a journalist, I know that we shall be going on a district that assembly members who represent me. That started a whole, that I believe
yeah,
so way, but blogger, you'll lay. I don't know, no, belly, I forgot our yen.
No, I go back and you can hear about Bra. You don't know, IMF, most of the projects now, Omene project, Bantereco, Tamia Westeka. That's an example, but this is one of them. And even and project ma only pity to come and pity.
So my question is that at too far, this has been paid. This Orochiba has been paid. Koba has been paid. Kayomia Koba has been paid. Ke minority government has so I just want to ask the I'm actually very
then me apite me aton and now the total out to us more comedy. And we have a list of projects the IMF FOB only no appropriate here. Then Emma me pick one I don't me.
You see, you can do the analysis, but hold on. It does not still it does not still throw out my questions.
Yeah.
Ameoshi gale, miaoshi gamelo, etanemi wu mi baba no kura no kabiamlo. Gana la gogbono bede. Ni yo onale yo dafi po gabogbo yo na namde. Amo kunyelo mochi ebungu. Yo masana gale kapo. Egwatobe has been paid. 1,800 projects. I speak to that issue now. Don't but so
no, but the shop no, Tali.
You can be
they are projects. They are projects. Actually, they are two ever inherit and never cover projects. They are two check for the one. If you know, then yeah. They dollar into the government take a payment to go and put the kafala. I said, maybe probably a dollar government me introduce. That means a government. That means okay, this very one, everywhere. Fine, it's welcome. What no advice, fine. Then he offer pay you benu papa. And then you prioritize here. At the end of the day, okay, the community where they here. And if they now, maybe IMF check thinking that different. No, me here. Kaka administration me actually be
don't make us cut now. Go Blomberry. Blomber community and here project out. Yeah. About Blomberry. Me here because government that baby that you can go.
No, be here. No, open no, ya IMF to open here. Ya global there no. Imagine yes. Open you le Ghana. I know me le Ghana you call a project ya. You football. Ya me here. At the end of the day, me I me told a Ghana football. And we are here. That time le global no. Yes, ya IMF work global here. But this is it. At the end of the day, me and touch me analyze. I could have yes. And we are here. Eke to me here. Make it to me here. Ola me a make it on here, me keep you. I can't agbo ya obekara. Okay, ever. How?
But to first they have cancelled it today. What we Yamaka? At first the things have been cancelled. Speak about the competence of our economic managers. That is the conversation.
So now that at first you cancel
you cancel. I tell you we cancel.
So it could be that even most of the projects from their inherited projects. So there's no way to force it. Eminyale ko economy manage 50 years. Minyabe adega akode enude kebeke unproductive.
You see, sitting here, look, as somebody who is in communication, I will tell you when you are making voice. For example, that is even crazy.
So these projects, most of them only inherited projects.
That is even worse.
No, but what shows you I'm never your cancel it prior to the value, what shows their payments? No, because of government analyze projects away. No, already like cancel it. Maybe IMF.
I don't want to be on the show.
Start IMF global review.
I don't want
so let's start it. Everybody IMF global review project or no. About 1,800 of them now. Then the productive menu. There are 240 though. Okay, you cancel. If some of them only inherited projects, there's no way at 240 and mine. That means include policy that will program and projects here. Yeah, I know it got them. Oh, there be mara menu. Meanwhile, me cancel the menu. So there's no way why invest can. Therefore, most of these projects are inherited projects from the past administration. Yeah, when you cancel it. That there's no way at 240 maybe the economy and manage. Like Abobo Melekas, I see the Gano, like I'm also when I see the Gano. There's no way. Wow, now. At 240, discipline. Like one manager gala and top notch. That there's no way why invest in this project. No, that most of them are inherited projects, and the good level. Oh, never quite my take up where I cancel it. You're not a minority tolerance, could do better. Then I see the Gamo because only a project here, or contracts here, or no, yeah, 2,000 I see the Gamo, they know project, know that Chiloku. That always sort of little, but I see the Gamo, but I see the Gamo. When you have a project, you to a white elephant, that if man, I better go to a Ekele Jolo, if you decade the number contractor, then a link to MPP, a bear the door, that would be a never. So at the end of the day, it's just good. We have this government in place. Projects are hopeful, then hear me. I don't get a wasteful. I cancel it, which is a good plan for us. That may show we're going forward or cancel here. And I have a tenor. Ima Zanga, Ako, Yakacha, Rama Zay, the project, Ima Devine Gan at all. That is a good thing. Hey, Jebe, what do you Jonami Berry? Oh, well, I get definitely there. Inherited projects, you have about 1,800 inherited projects. Research, that is what I had. Most of them are inherited. I cancel, which is a good one. And you autonomy research.
Budgeted for projects when you like all inherited. I'm wondering, let me be back. You don't have 24 economy plan back going to Organamia. Imako Gako, Nana Dapa Fuaro. What got some Yakacho projects your Yajiko Yimi Valley. Whatever be a
projects will you. The village there, the lawyer can.
Oh, budget Namoyo for woman. And I'm a good battle, put on our battle.
You know, everyone get the everyone have projects, no projects. I saw project, don't tell anything. Kakele I come there, and we are here at the end of the day, not definitely. And by you know, journalists and never get the organic research now. I put a project on
honestly, I'm not doing propaganda. Nana do not but one district, one factory, man. Oh, in all I know is that I was not there. Because, yeah, you understand. So your confessions are very funny, amazing.
A review, Kidi, follow special audit of outstanding payables and commitments up to end of 2024. Up to end of 2024.
Which they are budgeted for.
Yes.
See, up to end of and first 3 months, budget to do that. I am going to say, then the budget to outstanding payables shall be paid for. And the government has provision for them.
Yes.
That is not a normal provision. Then the money never budget money. Man, for Kaka, Gabuko Domimila. Kase go go no, they are auditing.
Yes.
You are auditing you are spending on 1,800 projects, including some projects of the government. But yeah, Kase Okumchwa, Magnobe NPP projects, so Magnobe projects payable salary in the budget.
Yes.
You will So I don't know why you're trying to.
No, so maybe
okay,
then you're more political. So that is fine. So at the end of the day, Ghana project here, make a provision. Then you are paid.
Just a quick comment. Me mobile. Any major Uber Joby Mutala that me expecting Mia Adebubu, Amayin Bell, Nchi Yoga, Juna Bifu. Kafla, Mania Condoaka, Monsieur Camilla Wanari. Fifia Boy, girl, Yadana, Junabi. Oh, me have a young man. This woman is about 80 something, and yet, Mutala Penyan in the couch. I feel money, Bama, yeah, the couple yana that I know. I will be aware of buying the ball. I feel about close, That's a sad one. I think we should cool off with this issue and over the going back. So, what do you remember these people for, and what has Ghana learned? Now, there's an angle to the story. Kojo Oponguma, MPP, over Fifia Abarakaba ide, Nkeo Pole reporting over a Boko Ayaroba Wunya Committee, no Garam Wokuma, Bonkaya Ku, Igawamao. Fifia MPP to Robert Abarakaya Garofia Nigaboga Sanga Yena, Nia Logan lecture or the plateau. Report Yana Duari, Nkapa Wamao. And the recommendations are low. Adam Yoke reporter do Nigeria or in town and Alberta Miwojia. Address these three issues for me. The emotional side, the soft side of parent losing kids and all that kind of thing.
Yeah,
what are the recommendations? And have you done anything about it? I've been a governor, Gasamba, you support problem.
You are local edefu alo etere mi apete jibo mi lose me up performing alo yes ministers were play had a senior citizen and then military chair ko lose pano on that day ami apete mi fakoyi yes mi pomo ije mi fakoyi dede but for me Mutala any American minya stance on corruption at the top notch. And then a presentation gidi on in parliament la kobe amove de no. Aloleka moche wa po bojo evida ele vvd. That even on one occasion there's no way one city of a common fund is for a personal use. Everything is there for the good of the community. And I'm a gede crazy. From to Talama. I'm saying I'm to a best stance on corruption. You're a very big point and a better try telling me a petty. And me come to Omani Guama chair. People like Omani Guama chair, a dog comment, the Ministry of Defense. Ebron Yankee Abba and Omanich I credibility because at least under the first JM Omani was I think a deputy minister of health alone those days and what to find. And Omani at NDC party Chairman would very important the NDC party. And after pointing up a victory in the 2024 election, Bachelor attributed most to Omani Puama because I live near the IT team to make sure that things are well organized. I may have a NDC government a help play Ghana and then we are hitting me a PTG. And so imagine them play politics, play phone But at the end of the day, him what to be say reported the investigative report into who attribute to Enugede, and then this about the weather actually affect the Enugede visibility. Yeah, the main cause of the issue.
Yeah, report
the reports are able of visibility. But the weather that day or that hour, that morning, the female visibility.
If you have a young man, then Kappa passes so
I am in the call. That if you have a whole chola, Accra, Heyina, yes, echo, like a whole roof man, or weather, I mean, no time. Investigate, report, and up a pilot, and we are DDV, to be a poor, and more VI. That because I don't plane here, the modern aircraft were. Open Kekoyanto adjust to the weather, Pluto where you have autopilots. Maybe Yanto, yes, Kakeke, the pilot, DDVA, the whole DDVA visibility about the flying at Avalo, Tomaya accident macho. That visibility in the weather and the aircraft into a Fort Million Sibogake, the main cause in visibility. I know I am a Mako, the FIMA. Abe defu. Play Mr. Even the Ghana Armed Forces abe aircraft which are open up Ochi here retooling at least the latest ones were enormous. Then that abe at a point abe president play the Ministry of Defense who presented via the Parliament where they play helicopter play looking the aircraft the military and to come our position no complain. But issues only now only look at the government develop aircraft and Robert Mahama, president, presidential jet, Nedo, Pluton, Green Yamaugidi. Now, people one of the helicopters in the more than one ever, probably as a result of that investigative report. If I go back and when you politics from the opposition because visibility are at another accident here, and we are at any time, even the crime. Yeah, Fudo, yeah, the force to be here.
Okay, so I just want to just a second. That if you have a do a question, me get joy, Yamagua, a joina, Yama coffee ojo, oh, Jashari Shadow, Unyamiba Yamako, you got the I feel in a over of Mako, over the Pamako. Gadi. Afio boya mabudi kachacha mano na fi kana hukumu prafi ni ina duma nyama do yamupo ogbonobo yam konfi ina hala ka de maka yo me gete yo na Nigeria to ge kachacha ko no do aro ko bada bonya nga toto mo le yama kachacha mo no do ma nso sreno ta do pamatina ne kana do ya me bene ya wa cha ko nya mas imagara report kami piano da begini ke opposition ba biawa koreka da inge mi structure then a chokwa ma won china mi chomi ke mi structure ko ma khale jojo
yo ape tanko o yabe reporter o namia no ono globe weather any the calamity the weather edefu le obwasi ya mehoyina Diana affected
me bomisa kwa matavia yo
o can no there at a point because of looking at about lose contact with communication I lose it because when I remember no left mouth that everybody they don't have issue they not communicate but okay and you have the flight the plane is coming down the speed the whole coming down right that communication much ever drop they are not having one job some minutes also Dubai have the control command center all in Anyabo none over it because of those contacts with the airline Pluto that it's just unfortunate but ejogaka o joko ni tro nya gidi leme and then me so be nya ke ni so yes the first recommendation you be read to military because miabe craftsman to to ne egbe no se be togo to be no attack ni la miabe agame bu the case said que ne le ke ato wa kwade ni anu kaba kaba wonu ya o patapata ah tai je memory tooling the military is very important any one of the recommendations we ta me so be na retooling ya be ke yiji ya me work on miabe even the weather be Accra la even though at times open a weather call bill weather can call if man dey lole if there's any change even along the line abele ke bra aton bill weather all of a sudden it throw that let's use alternative routes and open our yes so MRG recommendation no implement big helicopter here and a lot is happening LG for
presidential jet on play
abaya never do helicopter and never
a jet ya to go grab by the Jamaica. The Republic of Ghana. Ghana Navy, Ghana Air Force. I can't global who talk
service. I am out of the jurisdiction for servicing. What are you jumping? Republic of Ghana. Coat of Amle, so you can watch that video in there. All right, we are going to look at comments now. Miako comments, so Miaki the Facebook ban, Akbo Mkawe the Facebook. Can your Facebook at me back emojis and 0242670773 and your number I can attend as acquired. So me the Facebook Sly Dumba Rodamba. I hope I'm Unkoya my union Sly Dumba message me. Each of me at 0242670773 and your number I can attend as Ado Ajepaklim. 0242670773. Wonko ble afige ne make dom la na ya majujimu ya na do junani ma. So please 0242670773 is the number to use. Okay, Sly, good morning. Evil forces and Satan Company are hitting the streets with some of the stolen and looted monies after destroying the economy and left debts in the country. Enemies of state, they need deliverance. Sly from Greater Accra region. Message band over. Yavio, you go to call Gao, to call, I'm going to call on boy inchi. Oema, Gabayo, Jolodo Sikijiba, Ta, Ajejinao, or something like that. Okay, we thank you for your message. We appreciate that. Message Bubuaro, Unhaga Cho Loboni, on other platforms. Okay, WhatsApp message, the Kavarunha, Gatu, Pabu Barakava. All right, so Toby Gama Volta, a nice program. Good morning. Thank you for that. Toby Gama Duban, Toga Sanamian Kocho Tema. So, Micho, Greater Accra, Greater Accra, September. All right, Maryland Denta, good morning, brother. Tony, you are doing a great work. God bless you. Thank you for your message. And we appreciate you on that one. Message Akacho, Fodome. Ever in Dynamic Tony, we are watching live from Fodome. Kudos to Ebenga TV for bringing us that news straight. The government must tell us which projects were cancelled so we can hold them accountable. Look at that. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah. And this is where media comes in. Media, centric, microphone, minister, information you are talk to this technical person. And the information must be there because it's a meeting and there must be minutes, So that's that. Okay, yourself. All right. For Puma Chopla, me on the host. Good morning. IMF, they talk, but what about the jobs, those 1,800 projects?
would have created for our youth. That one is my worry. Do you get it? But I keep telling you, government is inefficient as a whole. Government is inefficient. There are elements no axe project if you have a contractor, and mind you, need Casilla to force about a dollar ministry so many a model to allow gas have your own gas to my own elbow, this one factory. But that's not all. Jolo. And one dollar ministry so agenda do some joy over you 100 computers market. And we go full line now, be able to look light teaching program, never have a computer man, get computer man brand code. Next spring body, the view on your phone cheese as a computer man. Now, I'm not criticizing the project, but these are some of the projects. Maybe 100 computer man for so many people in the water region. How does that affect, how impactful? You don't have the marginal returns. You are just going to have marginal returns.
No.
Anyway. All right. Next comment. MFA don't message that me today. Good morning to you. This is MFA. I love how Bariba TV explains IMF in simple English. Some stations just confuse us with grammar. IMF. All right. Good morning to you. Don't message that me about the government did the right thing. Too many white elephant projects everywhere. Let's finish existing ones before starting new ones. From that paper. Well. Nyama le tore nyama uma boglomba onye project ye necessarily. Uma boglomba onye project ho necessarily. O boglomba kasebia zega the project around. I remember guy do na me church or is having na promi chamiapo. You do a team that o chapka cover. Some of these projects are useless projects. You are coming to tell us that you are spending on them. Good morning to you. Bariba TV is my favorite station. Oh, this is from Kojo, Chuakachi. Have a good morning to you, Bariba TV, my favorite station. Please keep presenting government. Please keep pressuring government to publish the full list of the 1,800 projects. Transparency matters. Kojo from Akachi. Journalists will again put on here. In fact, ayo who meet mango ko journalists na ko microphone to Ghana. Padiso. I'll be on a list of these projects.
Yeah. Very important. Like this. I mean, then you probably okay. Ele project ki ya they will cancel it. Ele community helper. I think a project do ya will cancel it. Then no call completely. Like one
perfect.
I just very problem how to take me. I think I can go poleleko. Me for project malato help community. Like I IMF ya feel they out. No stop in that. So we need to know.
But in a more, I like your analysis you are doing. You see, there's some things we are looking for. You understand? When we come to talk about issues, we want depth, and I really appreciate you. In a Pan-African sense, who the hell is IMF? Everyone to practical line name alo embodary. Who the hell? I'm practicing oh, we are not serious as a country. Young Millie, maybe Ghana beyond 8. Maybe 24-hour economy. Maybe Ghana, she, Mahama Ghana, she, a guy you can Ghana, she, the beer, never within 1 year, Gama Hoke, Nehu, Gama, the beer, go to 24-hour economy. These are some of the campaign messages we can play, but we are not saying that make campaign on menu. I'm a move Ghana beyond 8. Indian and I don't Papa Yaglon. Blayo, Badia. No, that Avla. Yeah, America. Yes, Nyao Bonaminia. But Ghana beyond it. Kakao Mure Ujiha, who Mitchell Bijifo. But we are not going to go to IMF ever. Kakao Bobe, everyone
proud nation.
One constituency, $1 million. I don't go here. Yeah, first budget to work on a book. Kenberg, $1 million. You take us for granted. And Amo Mahama Jumba Malem, I can't move to call Jum, Amoyo, Mondimemi, Amoyo, and Domemi, I'm quite away, and Doniami. Ameo, and Domi, I mean, and the cover now. You just talk, and go scoffing. I just should be an independent body there, which is not necessarily court. What you bashing, and you start losing legitimacy. Me how you over 24-hour economy. Remember the first 120 days and me and all over you lane. Big Blomogata. Go social contract, but kafu how much in your hola kafu.
You did it, I did.
Very good. And then you have that be the call. You have to take it serious. Fifia Mahama Chamber, Ghana should have Africa should have economic independence. I don't care. We should have economic balance. Mahama Madam Yamamele, Jamaica, Kingston, Lego, Takinele, Ghana Fiaba. We are asking projects. Our projects are away, district assembly, so for your May, Plato, Gunu, Chacham, Plato. Mahama Mabel played Dapa. Why Dapa? Dapa for information, Gunu district chief executive level. And you create district map for the first time. Gunu was the first district chief executive. In all the regions, Oklo, Mahama, the Moko Baji, being pumping for the Dapa, whenever police station, Mahama High. I will meet Juna number O to KVR PO by commission. Honorable, what does IMF have to do with our finances? We don't go away, we will pay you your money. We are a sovereign state.
No.
That is Pan-Africanism. No, please, in a Pan-African sense.
Yes, I think that is it. Okay. Aside no, I call the Pan-Africanism in a yes, liberal, yes. What do you have to after I borrow?
Maybe I'll pop in a popular but
you see, I am
maybe I have a market the car a market at the car. Click on but to my for money balema.
No,
24-hour market.
No, for me, and the only day I'm all global, I don't have issues with it because to add develop the example, even Nofia over airport and not Beme. If you can do airport as a community, that is how we are developed. Can you feel me?
24-hour market, if you have security, Damaguamo.
Yes, so the
example, maybe our example, program I'm looking for example of Akachi morning, Yenya, Aiko Yakachi, Yifma Ashidinale, and I go say, I go up Akachi Shiko Bedrafo. People protested, market queens protest, oh, Chola, the Congo, Yafmafia, Fuma 24-hour market, about Moto to one better. So, in the long term, 24-hour may be possible, and NPP told you that. But 24-hour market, you cannot check it. It has to be step by step. Yeah, for you don't by 24-hour. You example market top. Oh, a jabolo jamafma. Okay, jamma.
I have an understanding of the 24-hour market today. They mean policy. I'm only deviating from it. This 24-hour market, many just this 24-hour market, I have schools, all the facilities. The moment of Dofima,
you get down what you
have back the graph. What to the Batuma?
How many years? 25 years.
Betumen, can I be a community one?
25
now that market as school maybe that time school menu. That time I'm going there. So that is how we grow.
Use that point.
That is how we grow.
But it will take time. It's not manifesto.
So that is
it's a demand.
One day, and that's me na Ghana people have 24-hour markets. Yeah, never communities. So that is fine. No.
Just at the end of before you conclude. We are debating for 24 hours. I have the document, the Brighton document. There was no 24-hour market inside. You said 24-hour economy policy. You have no plan. Nemia would indeed of your Sama, your electricity half nami. I'll be brain. That is the document. There's no market inside. Who is debating?
But me and me under the 24-hour economy now.
Do what you promise.
Yeah, so definitely. Yeah, work is
do what you promise, so that we'll vote for you again.
Yes, so that is fine. And then we move to the other national issue about where IMF we are. At the end of the day, make our donor.
Just a quick one. Demonstration in Jagomolo.
Okay.
Okay, that me get him quickly. Oh, okay. That demonstration Penya Blomila, Ojagomoje, Woi Chachamianchi, military Karakwe Poto, Alaba, Mia Awunamta, Mano, Honorable Monkopona, Honorable or Weber Nyauta. My job, I'm Mushamil, Nikata meeting me this year, I have 7, and Tony Macbo. Mio Katami no, if you get to know, I be a Savaja Kamaha. All right, we were all part of looking for the best of your party. It's just part of our job. Okay, now while you're ready, you can put it on our screen. Programmer Ejegome. Programmer Ejegome. So, mi pon fifila, ni pon milenye, mi popo vito, non via role awu gym. Amarodo wibo, and it's looking peaceful. It's looking peaceful. Amaroha wonkum, but that okay, well, stop. Stop attacking free speech. Yeah, over no judge speech, free speech. That's one of the things that are written on the placards. It's looking peaceful, and we just wish that it ends there. Honorable, just your comments on this one, and we'll bring it.
Oh yeah, so for the demonstration, I mean, global, it's going to be peaceful. Ghana Police Service, I want to work as a bit of professionalism and make sure that no demonstrators will make sure that you respect.
Okay, reach national youth organizer at the woman to Asrafo Babukudo, it's looking peaceful. I think that's a president.
Yeah, that is it. It's very peaceful.
Stop crime, criminalizing free speech. So honorable final comments.
Yeah, so for me, I think there's a good one for our democracy. Demonstrations where is allowed.
Yeah.
But make sure whether a secular room, no matter whether secular room like a secular.
Yeah.
I can no never demonstration if it is against corruption. I know the government IEG against anything against corruption now. It's say
so that is it.
Yes.
It's against corruption.
That is it.
All right.
Yeah, that way.
Tony McBoy, you know, so Paji, but that got the elegant chop McBoy in Yako. Yamako, Yapo messages so that I love my children and make a metaphor on me going up and review. Go that when I say, no, Mabanaka, Plato, Christian, Yapuya, Mukatano, Chin, and Yona. Race teaches a Katoyana, Akbana, Apuma, Dochona, one, Nanyapom, a chofira going in. I'm not talking about Shabaka. I'm a Nuna. Bye bye, honorable.
Thank you.
No silence ever English dictionary. Yatepe. But see dictionary akara so afi e passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view canola basic level. And you know Americanola SHS. And you know Americanola University. Allo the language you nenya make manya be few. I be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know I'm a Sammy Canania for the Mutura Po, and it be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary. And you know, Mama. Yella Dilla was so mad than a player. At place order Amazon. Allo number can I follow screen idea. Open the method can also have a Fisia Ficanella. Yako no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua Coveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you Tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nive AJ Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Fraget Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Fraget Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go do it.
Oh, very much. Ibadah kuilam romo, kakek tu pui. Katanya cuma traditoy. Pokoknya uang sepelekele.
Oh.
Yang mana faham? Yang mana datang matu? Mana masih kau? Oh, belum.
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ketukanya gbogbo ya wa. Basi hasbena didila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wontan nya nukura wa. Bola pasi ko ko nya ko katara ge.
Bo. Mana chiko ku no e plolo.
Vai batakalo subo. Ita bi gada de secrement tonto. Bola pasi ko wa busielo weto fina.
Wa yire vola to gbo. Ye no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no plum. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Miapa toto wala toto fita. Itanye za vola chika. Miato motoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo le budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola
Nina nemi ayi vola eba senta afima mi apota yola nyadeba vola efi valo akulori le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka ofuto makata mele to wonyi de wa eti makolo no ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jengo aplau Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa ofuto wofuka ome ofuka ma tutu dokata vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio ma kokori abso
na me swale nane mano mesie eye na me swale